In this example, we want to determine a sample size needed with the given conditions. So what we're told exactly is that a researcher wishes to estimate the proportion of adults who have high-speed internet access. So keep in mind here, this will be a proportion. What sample size should be obtained if she wishes the estimate to be within 0.01 with a 90% confidence if, and in part 1, she uses a previous estimate of 0.32. So we can do this process in StatCrunch, and I would recommend doing that. So let's go to Stat, Proportion Stats. Remember, we have a proportion here. One sample, and this time we want to find the sample size given the width. So you want to select this last one. Next, we want to update the confidence level. It should be 0.9 for 90%. We also want to update the target proportion because we were told she's using this previous estimate of 0.32. So we'll update that here. And then the last thing that we want to do is update the width. So we're told it needs to be within 0.01, so that means 0.01 added to this estimate and subtracted, which would make a width twice the length of that error. So 2 times 0.01, or in other words, 0.02. When you click Compute, StatCrunch determines that sample size for you. Going back for part B, if she does not have any prior estimates, you always want to use a target proportion of 0.5. That will maximize the sample size. So in this case, that is 6,765. And we'll check.